Okay, these are 48-inch. This is my last fan collection of these fans. This is the 48-inch Hunter Discovery ceiling fan. But this fan used to be in my grandpa's bedroom. I'll tell you why, because it has a broken blade. And after that, it got replaced in 2022 with the Harbor Breeze Lansing ceiling fan. But which just came with this. And also came with this. And after that, there's a canopy, but it has a damage right there. And after that, we used to have a globe to the Hunter Discovery, but we threw it away because it has cracks on it. And after that, this came with a rocket to black blades. And after that, there's no fan in this side, but we already have a Harbor Breeze Armitage, so we're gonna find another Armitage or different fan right here, because we don't have a switch either to the other side. And after that, I only have 4 of these because the other one has a broken bracket. And I do not know what year this fan's from, but it looks like the code, it looks like it's from 2013, it looks like. But no, it's not from 2013, it's something right there. Okay. There's no date on it, but it looks like it's from 2000s, or 2010s. I don't know, but if you want to see more videos of ceiling fans, like and subscribe to my channel, please. And we're gonna put these fans back in the box, and I'll show you more ceiling fan collection when I get more chances. And the other side. Okay, I put the Hampton Bay Littleton right there, and I put the Hampton Bay Carousel 1. But coming soon will be ceiling fans in my house. But not now, because there must be a power outage. So, we're going to stop the video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.